Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't guessed it already, I'm Jay. And today we're going to be installing the 180 awning by Overland Vehicle Systems on my Explorer. Stay tuned.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy.
Okay, so let's see what we have here. So I ordered some brackets from Amazon. There will be a link below to all these parts. These are horizontal bar clamp mounting kit brackets, and this is from 1 to 2 inch. And I ordered these just in case because online I've read that it doesn't come with the mounting hardware, even though I asked them and they said it did, but I don't know if they understood. There was a special going on, so with my purchase they included this very nice pouch that hangs on the side. Includes some stakes, some rope, they also included this very nice Overland shirt. Some hardware. Some rope and stakes. And all the mounting clamps, which is 3. And a set of tie-down straps. And over here, of course, some accessory poles and the star of the show, the 180 awning. So according to these instructions, I have to mount the bracket somewhere around here. I have to mount the bracket first with some U-bolts, but I don't see any U-bolts included. So thankfully, I went ahead and ordered these from Amazon instead. Here's what it looks like up here on the Explorer. I'm assuming that Intech uses the same roof rack on the Pursuit and the Chase as well. Maybe even on the Discover. Okay, now those C-style clamps that I purchased from Amazon is what they use on that opposite end, underneath the brackets that come with the awning. And so that's what we're gonna do here right now. So after playing with this mounting hardware, seeing that this little slider plate there supposed to slide in through this channel here, I realized that's just not gonna work. So I went over to my local Home Depot and bought these 5/16 stainless steel hex bolts. That'll go in there perfectly. Okay, so this is what we got so far. The 180 awning was installed. It kicked my ass. I had to go call my buddy Mike for some help because it's not that it was too heavy. It's just very inconvenient to hold while you try to install the brackets and mounts. But let me show you what we got so far. Okay, so exactly what I wanted to achieve, I achieved. I wanted extra cover for the tip out bed. Okay, maybe maybe I'll get the walls for this awning and make a shower room on one side and the restroom on the other side. Okay, I temporarily strapped it down to this opposite side. When this 270 awning comes out, it comes out about halfway of the front part of this trailer, and the back of the 270 on the other side meets up right where this one ends. So on the opposite side of the ramp right here, it goes straight out just like this one does. And if I wanted to add a center awning there, I can, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Awning overall is of high quality. It's exactly the same as the 270 awning, same exact install and everything. I use 5/16 hex nut bolts and nuts with self-locking nuts and washers. And I didn't use the plate, that's the sliding plate that goes inside, because that's for a different configuration. So you're gonna have to go buy the hex nut bolts and nuts for this if you're gonna use it on the flyer rack up top. I'm gonna leave a link to what I used below. Overall, I like it. I think it looks good. Gives me the added protection that I was looking for, and might even give me more options here to come on the outside. It was not an easy install by far, being by myself, but easy enough if you have help. And that's about it. So thank you for watching again. Subscribe, give me that thumbs up, share the video, and I will see you again next time.